how to write product description in Shopify. So first go to Shopify, and then here you can just click on products here at the top left. Then look for the product that you want to add a description. So I'm just going to click on that product. And then here you can just look for description here, and then just begin typing your product description here. So you can also change the formatting of your text here, make it bold, italic, underline, or change the color and the alignment as well. You can also add images here or video as well. All right. So here you can also use AI to generate your product description. So I'm just going to say long sleeve product. So I'm just going to click on generate, then let AI to generate my description. As you can see now, it just generated a description for me. So just click on keep, and then there you go. So you can just click on save here at the top. Okay, and then that's it. So let's preview it. There you go. So if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.